A person I know died a few days ago. She had a heart transplant and didn't survive it. This person tried to contact me for several years, but I never responded to it because I don't like that person very much. And now she died.
Why was she trying to contact you?
And she wanted to talk to me or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, and I didn't respond to it, and I feel very bad now. And I prayed for her, and then I wondered if I can talk directly to her, or not that I hear her response, but I said something like, she probably is in heaven. So I said to her something like, I'm sorry about my behavior. Did she hear that message? Can I be sure?
Well, in all likelihood, yes, she can on some level hear the message. In the CTMU, there is something called a conspansive manifold. Its structure differs from space-time as we usually know it. Space-time as we usually conceive it is the L-ectomorphic, linear ectomorphic limit of this manifold, which is a bigger, richer metaphysical manifold. The dead remain in this manifold. We all leave an imprint on the manifold, and that is permanent. It stays here. So in other words, she is still in a sense there. She forms an underlying level of space-time. And you're embedded in it, and it's still there, and you can still communicate with it. So all of the good feelings and love that you send her away can still be received by her. Not necessarily that she's going to hear the words coming out of your mouth, but she is going to feel the love coming from you. All right?
So I can make it good again, like make up for the mistake.
Yes, you can make it as right as it can be made by doing that. And I mean, if you pray for a person once they've passed, that can also be beneficial to them. So this is something that you can do.